Gachagua niarutire mukana kuri maabithaa a borithi aria makuyitikana magithararia mubango wa kurua na wendia wa njohi cia ibango. Akiaria riria auma icira-ini riake ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Juja thutha wa Inspector John Maisoi amukirite urigiti kuma thibitari-ini munene wa Thika kumana na gutharikirwo ni endia a njohi cia ibango mwena wa tauni-ini ya Juja.
Maofisa maitu nikio gukite nituramarora na niturameciria niturekire task force irarutitwo ni president iraheana recommendation uhoro wa insurance ya police officers aria mariguraraga mewira-ini kana aria hihi mangithie makue mewira-ini nigetha family ciao ikahota kumenyererwo. Thirikari ino itu ni ireciria oro maofisa maitu na ni ngwenda kumacokeria ngatho Kenya haria yaruma ni wira uria mwega marutite na kumera mathie na mbere na matigakue ngoro na nitukumagitira.
Ona gukiria uguo ni ugite ati bara ya kurua na wendia wa njohi cia ibango na ndawa cia kulevya no irathi na mbere thengia wa moritu maria makoretwo makigerera.
I also want to confirm that Kenyans are now sober, and we are getting very good reports that even people who are drinking have actually given up and actually found that it's not a very good thing. I want to say the war is 70% won, but there's still 30%. And County Commander, I want you to look at Goigwa. There's still a lot of alcohol in Goigwa. There's still a lot of alcohol in Makongeni. I want you to pull up your socks starting this afternoon. And in the next 3 days, make sure that the areas of Goigwa, the areas of Makongeni are cleaned up. And there will be no drinking during the day. Let people go and work.
Gachagua ona gukiria uguo ni ugite ati miaka kuma mwena wa Loitoktok Maraba na Busia ni cokereirie hinya kuma kuri maabithaa a borithi thutha wa njohi muthemba ithano kunyitikana mwena ucio, undu uria wacungiriirie maabithaa a borithi 7 hamwe na macibo 3 kurituhirwo ni wira wao wa kurua na ndawa cia kulevya hamwe na njohi cia ibango.
Our borders now are being policed all the way from Loitoktok, at Isibania, at Moyale, at Malaba, at Busia. We have re-energized our teams there, and there's a lot of supervision going on. I want to confirm that the amount of ethanol that was coming into the country has now lessened.
Handu-ini ha Muthigi TV, Getwo Kingori wa Gatundu.